Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can use Judge Me on Shopify. So as we all know, Judge Me app is really helpful to make some reviews on products in your store. Now to show you and how this app works on your Shopify store, well, the first thing that we can do here is to add a quick sample product. All right, so if you're going to click on add product, as you can see here, we just need to enter the title. For example, the title will be the channel name, Quick How To, and then we should add some description. So you can add descriptions and some details here. So this is what it looks like. So we have the title, description, the product photo, pricing, etc. And once done here, the next step that we're going to do is basically go to the apps, right? So when you go to products, you will find the product here. The next step here is go to the apps right here at the bottom left of your screen and then click on the add apps. Okay. When you click on add apps, basically at the top, you'll find pick for you. And these are the recommended applications, including the Judge Me product reviews. But if you don't see these recommended apps, you just need to go here at the bottom and just tap on the Shopify App Store. Now here on the App Store, go to the search box and just have to search for Judge Me or Judge, then press enter. And then you will find this Judge Me product reviews right here. So as you can see, built for Shopify and has a 5 stars and 24 plus thousand users with this application. So we're going to click on this application here to basically use this to our Shopify store and then click on this install button. Okay, so once you click on install button, so install app, this app needs to access to. So click on this install button here. Now on the next step, you'll find this welcome Judge Me. And it says here, we'll now show you how to add a review widgets and preview badge. All right, so we're going to select your preferred language. We have English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, or German. Okay, I'm going to select English and then select this my current theme. So this is the default option. All right, so once done, just click on the start setup button right here at the bottom right. Now on the next page, as you can see, enable app embed. So app embed is required for reviews to show properly in later steps. The button below will open a new window with app embed enabled. You only need to click save in that window, then go back here to continue. All right, so click on this enable app embed right here. So it will automatically opens up your Shopify store or actually the Shopify website. And there you have it. Okay, so as you can see, we have the Judge Me reviews right here. So make sure to enable this one and then you just have to save. So click on the save button at the top right hand corner. Okay, so once done, go back here and click on next step. And then here install the review widget. So now let's set up the review widget so you can start collecting and displaying reviews immediately. So simply click the button below and click save when you're done. All right, so we're going to click install review widget. And then you'll be directly go here on the, again, your Shopify website. So there you have it. So again, you will find the Judge Me widget. So as you can see here at the bottom, so you'll find the customer reviews right here. All right. So if you're going to click on the 3 dots at the top left and basically preview your website or make it save first. So we're going to click on the save button first at the top right. Once you save, then go to the 3 dots and click on the view to preview your website. All right, go to catalog and then go to the product. And when you scroll down, you'll find customer reviews right here, right? So we have the Judge Me widget here. Now the next step that we're going to do is go back to your store page and then go to apps, then select the Judge Me reviews right from here and then go to homepage. So from here, you will find your review insights for 30 days. So as you can see here, the review request sent, reviews collected, revenue generated. So you will find all of the reviews that your customers have created once they buy or bought your product. And basically, you can set up Judge Me reviews here so you can complete all the simple steps here to get started with the Judge Me application. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to scroll down here and click on View All Reviews right from here. So you'll find all the reviews right from here. So you don't have any reviews yet, as you can see. You can import your existing reviews from other review apps or send review requests to your customers. So if you're going to click on Import Reviews, so right here, if you scroll down, you'll find this import button. So basically, you can choose a file where you have the name, last name, the review, the photo, if the person who actually bought the product, who actually make a payment, and then you can import the file automatically. So it will show you here all the reviews once you import or imported all the files from here. Now, if you don't have this file, basically I will show you later on how you can create your own review on your own product on your store. And then basically if you go back here and if you want to try the other option, so for example here on dashboard, so click on request reviews. So right from here, so basically you can just request a review from your customers. Right? So you can collect reviews automatically from your customers 2 weeks after the order has been fulfilled. So we're going to click on the schedule request right here, the underlined words here. All right. And then as you can see, we have the schedule request for freebies orders or schedule manual request. So here you just need to click on the schedule manual request or request in batch. So here on manual request, basically just enter the reviewer's name, email, and then the product that they have just bought, and then the order fulfillment date, and we'll send the request after 10 minutes, then click on schedule request. So basically here you can manually request to your customers to create or make their reviews about your product. Now let's take a look all the options here. If you're going to the review dashboard, you can see here question and answers, product and groups. All right, you can manage all the reviews right from here. And also if you're going to click on collect reviews, so basically you'll find all the request history right from here. So currently we don't have any request review right here. You will find automatic request. So you can customize your request timing, domestic orders or international orders, as you can see. And we have the request schedule. And then you can basically go to emails. So enter the sender name, sender email, campaigns. We have the email tone of voice and also email templates. So we have the current templates right here that you can use. Moderation. We have the SMS push or reviewer notifications. So, and then we have also here widgets. So as you can see here, let's run an overview of the different Judge Me widgets and choose the ones that work best for your store. Okay, so to get started, we have some different widgets, or you can customize your own judgment widget. So for example, here on a review widget, as you can see on the preview at the right side of your screen, you can basically customize it depending on your preference. You can change the color, for example. You can change it depending on your branding. So for example here, so there you have it. We have just changed the color review. And also you can reset the default. You can change all the designs that you want to show up on your Shopify website. So you can basically add some options here, right? And also we have other options like star rating badge. So you can just change the design, the color of the star, a star rating. And we have also question and answers. If you click on manage, so basically here you can just add some question text. So basically that will help you to improve your store or your products. We have also the review carousel if you want to add it. And you can also add some options, all right? Like the all reviews page right here. So if you click on manage, so you'll find here, and then we have also a floating review stub right here at the right side. So you'll find that one. And then we have also like a judge me medals. So like this. So you can change it right here, medals placement on mobile. And then we have also this like the design or like the review counter on your theme. So there you have it. So these all the examples here that you can basically customize with your Judge Me widget. We have also some marketing and social. So we have the referrals. So generate and display your referral link after your customers complete a purchase. Your customers can copy and share this referral link with their friends. All right. So you can create referral widget, friend widget, customer reward, or some requirement and eligibility, right? And then also here we have some review page, social push. So as you can see, you just need to be familiarized with the uh, Judge Me application. Now, for example, you are basically a beginner on your Shopify store. You have just created a new product and you don't have any reviews yet. So what we're going to do now is basically we can create our own review right here. So if you're going to the view section or preview section on your Shopify store, go to catalog and go to product. If you scroll down here, you'll find an option. It says write a review. All right, so if you're going to click on write a review, you can basically right here, for example, our review title will be thank you, and then a review message or comments here. For example, I'm going to type awesome and amazing product. All right. So just an example here, you can also add your own review, and also you can upload a picture or video regarding on the product that you bought or that you want to make a review. And then you can just enter the name here. It will display it publicly. Okay, for example, quick. And then actually, if we're going to click on submit review, basically just need to enter your email. All right, click on submit review. And once done, as you can see, review submitted. Okay, so let's go refresh the page. And if we're going to scroll down, as you can see, we have just created the review, right? So you can add your own reviews here. For example, you can add the first 3 reviews with photos so the people viewing your product can start to trust on your product and buy your product on Shopify store. So there you have it. So that's how you basically use Judge Me on Shopify. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.